Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing two very prominent open source ERP solutions, Odoo and ERPNext. Now, we're going to start off with Odoo. Odoo offers a comprehensive suite of business applications covering a ton of areas such as CRM, e-commerce, accounting, inventory, and project management, and that's just a few. Its modular design allows businesses to implement the applications they need and scale up as they grow. Odoo provides both community, open source, and enterprise, which is their licensed edition, with the enterprise version offering additional features and professional support. Now, ERPNext is a fully open source ERP solution designed to support various industries, including manufacturing, distribution, retail, services, education, non-profits, and healthcare. It offers a wide range of integrated modules such as accounting, inventory management, CRM, project management, and human resources. ERPNext emphasizes ease of use and flexibility, allowing businesses to customize the platform to their specific requirements. It's another jam-packed ERP. Now, when it comes to putting these two side by side, both Odoo and ERPNext provide extensive features across various business functions. Odoo's Enterprise Edition includes advanced functionalities like payroll management and additional integrations, while ERPNext offers all features out of the box without an additional licensing fee. In terms of customization, Odoo's modular approach allows businesses to select and implement specific applications as needed, providing flexibility in deployment. ERPNext offers extensive customization options as well, enabling users to tailor forms, workflows, and reports to meet their unique business processes. So if we're talking about pricing then, Odoo's Community Edition is totally free, while the Enterprise Edition requires a subscription fee, which includes additional features and support. ERPNext is completely open source with no licensing fees and offers both a self-hosted version and a cloud-hosted version, the latter involving hosting costs. So in conclusion, the choice between Odoo and ERPNext would then depend on your organization. If you prefer a modular system with the option for advanced features and professional support, Odoo's Enterprise Edition might be suitable. Conversely, if you're looking for a fully open source solution with comprehensive features included out of the box, ERPNext could be the ideal choice. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.